Previously in Chapter 11.
The crystal of clarity has shown us the path, but are we willing to walk it, even if it means confronting our deepest fears?
We cannot falter now. The destiny of Camelot depends on our actions.
The time has come to face the echoes of destiny. Each of you carries a role in the unfolding of Camelot's fate.
We stand ready, Merlin. Whatever the prophecy demands, we shall deliver.
Can you feel it? The forest. It's alive with ancient magic.
Knights of Avalon, your destiny awaits. Embrace your fears, for they will lead you to your truth.
We are ready. Lead us to our destiny.
Chapter 12. The Dawning of Camelot. In the heart of Camelot, the knights stood before the ancient altar, where the culmination of their journey was to unfold. The air was charged with anticipation, as Merlin, his eyes gleaming with both age and wisdom, addressed the gathered assembly.
The prophecy nears its end.
Merlin declared,
The trials you've faced were but the forging of the path. Now, the true test awaits.
Sir Galahad, the embodiment of purity, stepped forward.
How do we fulfill our destiny?
Merlin's voice echoed, with a blend of assurance and solemnity.
The final trial is a test of sacrifice. Each of you must offer something of great personal value to the realm. Only through sacrifice can Camelot emerge from the shadows.
The knights exchanged glances, the weight of the task ahead settling on their shoulders. Lady Morgana, her eyes holding a glimmer of remorse, spoke.
Sacrifice for the greater good. It is a burden we all must bear.
Knights of Camelot, the final trial is upon us. The test of sacrifice demands not only what you hold dear, but that which defines your very essence.
I offer my purity, the core of my being. May it serve Camelot in the shadows and in the light.
I sacrifice my power, the source of both my strength and my torment, for Camelot, for redemption.
And I, my crown. Not just a symbol of royalty, but my commitment to our people, our land.
My unwavering loyalty. The bond that ties me to this land and its people. I lay it here for the future of Camelot.
The sound of the people of Camelot cheering, the clashing of swords in salute, a new beginning dawning.
You have proven that the strength of Camelot lies not just in swords and armor, but in the hearts of those who defend it. This day, we have redefined the essence of our kingdom.
With these sacrifices, the heart of Camelot beats stronger than ever. You have all transcended your earthly binds to usher in an era of peace and prosperity.
We are bound by more than oaths. We are bound by sacrifice, by love, and by the shared purpose of preserving the light within Camelot.
Behold the dawning of a new Camelot, an era born of sacrifice and bound by the unwavering spirit of its guardians.
This concludes the final chapter of the Knights of Avalon, featuring actor Mark Collier as our guest storyteller. Kindly drop a review for Chapter 12 below and let us know. Remember, your reviews are crucial to us. Don't forget to listen to the rest of the episodes.